Hello, guys.
Hello, I'm Johnny.
I'm Julie.
We are
The Parsons RV Journey.
We're still at this mechanic's house today, the one that's helping us with our issues, some of our issues on our RV, and I'm going to show you in a minute. There it's dark, but his son-in-law runs a truck, a welding truck, and he's agreed to weld our bracket up for us, where that holds our hydraulic fan pump on, and so I'm going to show you some clips on that. Took the batteries loose so that nothing will burn up while we're doing this.
Hey guys, we just woke up at a Cracker Barrel. This is Lake Park, Georgia, and this was one of the most quiet Cracker Barrels, actually the quietest Cracker Barrel we've ever stayed in. So make a note, Lake Park. Now there are some, let me preface it with, there are some dumpsters over here. So, you know, if you get it at the wrong night, come at the wrong night, you might end up hearing dumpsters being dumped. But we didn't hear any last night. It was quiet and, you know, far enough from the interstate, and it was nice, right?
Yep, we got done and at the mechanics, and we drove down south as far as we could get before I got tired. So we're at the Georgia-Florida line.
Right at the Georgia-Florida line, yep. So we got a little ways to go today, about a little over 3 more hours to travel today to get to a church down in Plant City. We're going to sing at tomorrow.
Yeah, we are at the Cracker Barrel on the Georgia-Florida line. Headed to Plant City, Florida to do a concert down there in Plant City Sunday, and the bus actually did real good. I've been worried about that that pump, that bracket that pump bolts to. It's been cracked, and it was welded before, but it cracked again, and I've been worried about it. And the mechanic that helped me all day yesterday, and then his son-in-law came up, and he's got a service truck, and it's got a welder on it, and so he welded that bracket for us, and I was glad to get that done. But just want to show you this. I'll show you that bracket in a minute, but I just wanted to show you this spot where we're parked right under this moss tree. It's kind of a nice, quiet, pleasant little area here. I cleaned off the back end here before we left, but you can see I'm still getting oil on the back, but I think it's from oil up under there that hadn't it's still on there from the leak before, so I'm hoping that stops, but I think it will. It's still pretty bad under there. I got to take a steam cleaner to it, clean it up. Under the bus, I just wanted to show you the bracket that guy welded. That's the weld on the bracket there for the pump. That's the new pump. It already looks dirty, but anyway, that's the bracket he welded, and it actually looks a lot better than it did. And I'm thinking that weld right there is gonna hold. If you're still breathing,
There's still hope. Don't give up.